Okay, this is problem 14 from chapter 3 from CFIN7. We're going to work it in Excel. This is a stock issuance problem. So the most important thing to know about these questions is the flotation cost, issuance cost, underwriter's fee, however it's presented in the question, and it's paid on the entire amount of the issue. Multiplying the percentage by the amount needed simply will not work. You will understate the amount needed and answer the question incorrectly. So, Yellow Yachts needs $190 million to support growth next year. If it issues common stock to raise funds, the flotation or issuance costs will be 5%. If Yellow can issue at $200 per share, how many shares of common stock must be issued so that it has $190 million after flotation costs to use for its planned growth? So 190 million. Okay. In this case, there are no additional costs. Just created this little setup so that I can use it for any type of problem. So the flotation costs 5%, so 0.05. Can format that as a percentage. Just hit the percent sign up here. So the issue size equals 190 million divided by 1 minus RF, and then close parentheses and get $200 million. So now our share price that we're going to receive on the sale is $200 per share. So the number of shares is just the 200 million divided by the 200.